Look, I know the Russian-Ukraine news, war sucks. No one likes war. I hate seeing war, but it's here. It's in our face. We need to know how to manage it, protect it, and profit off it. That's what we're going to do today. Let's go. All right, hey everyone, welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. All right, we have a wartime market, and I just wrote about this in Trade of the Day yesterday, but what I want to say today is so critically important that I needed to reiterate it here today on Trade Talk Tuesday with you. Now, before I even begin, this might be the most urgent and critical Trade Talk Tuesday episode that I post this entire year. So please be sure to subscribe, click that button below so I can give you further updates in the future based on today's alert. Click that button, sign up, it's totally free. All right, here we go with the urgent message. When it comes to markets and geopolitical market trading, all bets are off, okay? That means support and resistance levels don't matter. PE ratios don't matter. 50-day and 200-day moving averages, irrelevant, okay? Geopolitical trading is emotional trading, and emotional trading never follows any sort of logic. So that's what we're faced with right now. That's the market. So if you're out there, you're an investor, you're a trader, you're asking yourself, well, what the hell do you do? And more specifically, how will Russia's actions impact companies here in the US? Well, to address this, first, let's check out this chart. Pull this up, okay? All right, see that? All right. This chart shows you the top 10 S&P companies by revenue exposure to both Ukraine and Russia. And what do you see? Well, Philip Morris International, ticker symbol PM, they have the most exposure out of anyone. So first and foremost, right at the top, if you own any Philip Morris, you should consider selling it. Or if you're a trader, Philip Morris puts could be a short-term trade that pays off if this conflict continues to escalate, okay? That's first order of business. Now, second, in terms of what to buy, here is what you need to do immediately, okay? The fact that Vladimir Putin put Russia's nuclear deterrent forces on high alert this past weekend, that is terrifying, okay? At the same time, right now, even more troubling is the threat that China, who as of this recording right now, they still have sided with Russia for the most part. They could use this opportunity to make a move on Taiwan. So if this happens, the global war situation gets escalated even more. And Taiwan, they are a huge concern because 70% of the world's computer chips are produced in Taiwan. And right now, there are reports that Chinese airplanes are invading Taiwan airspace. If that's any indication of what's coming next, we have to be on high alert. Now, I admit, could Russia negotiate a peace treaty like any time in the next day, 2 days? Well, yes, absolutely they can. But could tensions worsen and elevate the chances of a world war involving NATO members? Yeah, well, that's a distinct possibility too. Without any exaggeration, the ability of the Dow to suddenly rise 1,000 points or suddenly drop another 1,000 points, it's a coin flip right now. Any one of those situations could play out depending on what the geopolitical news is, which is why it's such a difficult trading environment. So what do? I'll tell you. That's why right now it's time to add DFEN, D-F-E-N, to your portfolio immediately. DFEN is a bullish 3 times leveraged aerospace and defense play. So what they do is they're leveraged in plays that invest 80% of its assets in a financial instrument and securities that track the performance of the aerospace and defense industry in the U.S. equity market. In my opinion, owning DFEN is the cheapest and it's the most powerful way to get positioned right now in this critical market sector. So if you want to own a basket of the top defense and aerospace companies, names that include Boeing and Raytheon and Lockheed Martin and General Dynamics and Northrop Grumman, DFEN is an immediate buy. In fact, I've been trading DFEN inside the war room. I've been playing it in and out, and our members are cleaning house. I mean, check out the testimonials that I received just this week. Pull this up. Rick, he says he made 135% trading DFEN. Daniel, he told me he made 82% trading our DFEN plays. Babs, that's her username, B-A-B-Z, she made 196%. And this is all this week. And then Dominic, this guy, he said, this is life-changing. If you like this play and you'd like more guidance on how to navigate this totally uncertain geopolitical market, then we invite you to take the next step with us. Click that link below and you could start receiving our top picks every single Wednesday. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode today. As always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading. It's a tough market. We're going to guide you through it. Have a great week, everyone. Cue my exit music.